What is intermittent fasting?
Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Popular methods include the 16-to-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and alternate day fasting. People choose intermittent fasting for weight management, metabolic health, and convenience. Understanding how it works is key to deciding if it's right for you.
What are the key health benefits?
Research suggests intermittent fasting can support weight loss, improve blood sugar control, and reduce inflammation. Some studies show potential benefits for heart health and brain function. By reducing the eating window, many people naturally consume fewer calories. However, individual results vary, and adopting a balanced, nutritious diet remains essential for optimal health.
Are there risks or side effects?
Intermittent fasting is generally safe for healthy adults, but some people may experience side effects like hunger, fatigue, irritability, or headaches. It may be unsuitable for those with certain medical conditions, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and anyone with a history of eating disorders. It's important to listen to your body and seek professional advice if you have concerns.
Who should avoid intermittent fasting?
Certain groups should avoid intermittent fasting, including children, teens, people who are underweight, those with type 1 diabetes or certain chronic illnesses, and individuals who are pregnant or breastfeeding. If you take medications or have health concerns, always talk to a healthcare provider before starting intermittent fasting.
What are practical tips for getting started?
Start gradually by shortening your eating window step by step. Choose a fasting method that fits your routine and lifestyle. Focus on nutritious, satisfying meals when breaking your fast, and stay hydrated during fasting hours. Pay attention to your body's signals and be flexible. What works for one person may not suit another.
Final takeaways on intermittent fasting.
All right, intermittent fasting offers benefits for many, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Consider your goals, listen to your body, and consult a healthcare professional if needed. Prioritize balanced meals and a sustainable approach. With the right information, you can make choices that support your long-term health and well-being.